Hey Bulldogs, I'm going to show you how to make a second sheet on your science grade tracker so you can start keeping track of all of your assessment grades for the second semester. So if you remember, this is your science grade tracker from last semester. You should have your last name and first name and the title of the file, and you should have it bookmarked. So in the web address, you should have the little star highlighted, and it should be in your bookmarks bar so it's easy to find and keep track of. So if you remember last semester, you're supposed to keep track of all of your grades for all of the checkpoints, quizzes, and tests, and fill in the bar for each of those grades so you can identify quickly what your strengths are and what your weaknesses are. So this is for your fall semester in sheet 1. So the first step that we're going to take is down here at the bottom where it says sheet 1, there's a little drop down arrow. Click that drop down arrow and click rename. You're going to rename this one fall semester and hit enter. See how it changed it to fall semester. Next step is to again click that drop down arrow and click duplicate. Once you click duplicate, now at the bottom it says copy of fall semester. Well, we don't need fall semester a second time, so I'm going to rename this tab spring semester, and then I can go through and I can delete all of the coloring that I've done. I just clicked and highlighted all of the boxes that are in the chart, and I'm going to go up here where I choose my fill color, and I'm going to click where it says reset, and it'll take away all of the color that was there. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start at the top where it says example checkpoint, and I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to highlight everything that was listed from the first semester. Once it's highlighted, then I'm going to click the backspace button. Okay, now if you notice, it still has some of the boxes yellow, so I can click and drag as many of those boxes as I need in the first column and do the same thing with the fill color. I can come up here and I can click reset. So now the last thing that you need to do is to add the assessments for our unit that we currently finished. So the assessment name will either start with checkpoint, quiz, or test, and then the name of it. So we've done a checkpoint on convection. You did a checkpoint on local weather, and then you've taken your quiz now on weather systems. Now because this is a major grade, I'm going to go back and I'm going to highlight it in yellow so it stands out more. Then you can type in your grades. Let's say you didn't do so well with convection, you only made a 67, but with local weather you did a lot better, you made an 83, and then by the time that you took the quiz you were a rock star at weather and you made a 92. So for the 67, I'm going to click and highlight the bars all the way over to the 65, because 67 is going to be closer to 65 than it is 70. And I'm going to fill in that box, those boxes with a color. For 83, I'm going to click and drag, and since 83 is closer to 85, I'm going to scroll all the way to there, and I'm going to fill it in with another color. Let's see, what's another pretty color? Let's do green. Okay, and then for my quiz, I made a 92, so I'm going to go over there and I'm going to fill it in with that color. Okay, so it's easy as that. If you need help, message your teacher and let them know, and they'd be happy to help you out. See you later, Bulldogs.